Welcome to Tripura Info News Update. On Friday evening, police at the Belbai Naka point along the Khowai Mohanpur section of the National Highway detained two Bangladeshi nationals. The incident occurred during a routine vehicle check when an auto rickshaw traveling from Bajilbari towards Khowai was stopped. During questioning, the two passengers admitted they were from Bangladesh and were heading to Khowai from Mohanpur. The detained individuals, identified as Khokan Sarkar and Anik Sarkar, were taken to the police station for further interrogation.
Tini nakawa ani sub inspector Monojit Devarma tongani naka seeking khlaipuro auto gari kaisa TR06 3651 gari nakaw bathak riwi check khaipuro aro charai khorognoi o je sem tabok tubnaya charai khorognoi no gari bisnu mangkha bumung rok sungka ke borok kisa gawrok doi bumung rok kaham ke chemalia para sungjak puro ke borok kaham ke chemalia abur ke ani officer kaham ke no borno nokhariwi sungma pore borok saka kaisa ke Khokon Sarkar tai kaisa ke Anik Sarkar sing sawo kaisa to Silet district ni tai kaisa to Brahmanbaria district ni ke borok ni orok bag rok naifrok mobile rok mangkha tai Bangladesh ni rang 1000 borok ni mangkha ke jehetu borok saise malia ke jeng motamuti bono Bangladesh ni no romitu khata tabo thana auto bujak bad baki processing jeng sini je official procedure tongmani jeng auto khini khainai.
Subscribe to Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.